Sometimes we find ourselves sacrificing, nurturing, and caring for our families that we often forget to put us first. And putting yourself first honestly doesn't take much. We just have to be intentional. So here are simple ways I love to prioritize myself. I honestly 100% would advise every woman, especially moms, to have an off day. What does an off day mean? An off day can be a day you just bring out for yourself, even though it's just for a few hours. You just say, I'm taking care of myself. I'm kind of pouring into myself, because yes, we are also familiar with this saying that you cannot pour from an empty cup. But sometimes I feel like moms, sometimes our cups be full and running over and we don't even know about it, or we are not even conscious about it, guys. That's why I said it's something that we have to do intentionally. And for me personally, in order to prioritize myself, I always bring out a day to do those things that I absolutely love. That can be, opening up my windows, putting on some good, calm music, and of course, when it comes to caring for yourself, you want to make sure you invest in your looks. That can be maybe your hair, your nails. These are things that are not expensive, as you guys can see. I went ahead and I moisturized my roots. I have my natural hair right now. So all I love to do is to go ahead and kind of use oil to moisturize my scalp. And I cannot tell you how therapeutic just doing that is. And another thing I also love to do is to invest in a good quality mask, face mask. And this one has a very nice ingredient. It's filled with a lot of collagen, which you guys know it's so good with hydrating and also plumping the skin. So, when it comes to my self-care, my hair, my skincare, they are all integrated, guys. And like I said, this is not something you have to go outside and spend lots of money. You just have to bring out the time and experience this in the comfort of your home. The older I'm getting, the more intentional I am about taking care of my health, and this has been part of my daily ritual. Investing in a daily multivitamin like the Ritual Essential for Women 18 Plus has given me the extra peace of mind, knowing I'm filling my nutrient gaps and supporting my body in a simple, consistent way. And I love how simple it is, just 2 capsules a day. And what really made me stick with it is that the ingredients are fully traceable, so I actually know where they are coming from and why they are included. It's also gentle on my stomach, it's clean, non-GMO, and third-party tested. This is something I'd advise every woman to look into and also to invest in, because it's very, very, it's a non-negotiable for me, guys. And of course, if you've been following my channel for years and years and years and years, I do not joke with my smoothies, and I'm keeping it very simple. As you guys can see, all I have is my banana, my strawberries, and also some water. And this is so good, especially if you're the type of person that do not like to consume like fresh fruits and veggies. You can just simply go ahead and make them into a smoothie. It's so much easier for you to drink. And also, not only am I used to drinking my smoothie, I also love to go ahead and add some protein shake, which you can either mix with your water or add to your favorite liquid, which for me is my smoothie. And I love the fact that the Ritual Essential Protein Daily Shake is plant-based and provides me with an excellent source of protein. Guys, the vanilla flavor is my favorite and tastes so good. It literally reminds me of vanilla ice cream in a liquid form. And this is a perfect shake for me to take, especially during my workout days. You can scan the code on my screen or check out my description box for all the info you may need for Ritual. As a mom with 3 active young kids, guys, I used to miss having my quiet time, and this can be a time you just take out to zone out, to not be in the moment, right? You just want to, some people take it for their meditation time, you basically just tune out. And for me, I love to journal, and also sometimes I just lay on the couch, not with my phone, not with any paper, not with any iPad, and just meditate, just listen to myself. But of course, today I'm journaling. This is the time I take to kind of write things down that I have in my head. I love a clean space, and this helps me think better and also think clearly, guys. I don't know how to function in a dirty environment, so for my me time, I always love to invest in making up my bed, making sure my home is clean, and of course, guys, especially during the evening or maybe towards the evening, I love to take a walk around the neighborhood. This is the time I kind of treat myself, basically, guys. I would say treat myself because it's sometimes, although I love to go on a walk with hubby, I love to go on a walk with my mom, but taking a walk is also another way of investing in yourself, of prioritizing yourself. Sometimes a me time can be totally satisfying for me by just making out the time to catch up on some TV series, shows, Netflix movies, and so much more. And relaxing with my favorite snack is like adding icing on top of the cake. I love some apples and caramel dip. And honestly, guys, prioritizing yourself doesn't have to be expensive. And I know maybe a lot of women may not be financially there yet to spend money on self-care. So having a prioritized me time is very, very necessary, guys. You don't have to spend money. You just have to be intentional, like I said. And as you guys can see, we didn't even go out. Of course, it all depends. Sometimes it all depends on the type of me time or prioritizing myself I want. Sometimes I might prioritize maybe going to the salon, getting my nails done, maybe doing some retail therapy. It all depends, guys. But what I'm trying to say is it's something you can do right at the comfort of your home. Just take out that few hours, just take out that day to say, this is the day I'm investing in myself. And of course, guys, I cannot live without adding some makeup, because makeup can transform your mood, your looks. And yep, you guys, I hope you all enjoyed today's video, and of course, till my next one, I will see you all very, very soon. Bye.